Hey, stock traders, Jonathan Walker here with Transparent Traders. I was asked via email about making a gap up scanner for pre-market on Tradingview. A lot of people are trying to learn how to use that screener on Tradingview since that's what we use for all our charting. We have the breakout scripts, the entry and exit algo scripts. So a lot of people want to be able to use everything in the same spot. So I told them, sure, I'll make a quick video on how to utilize the screener and make a pre-market gap up. They like when James and Todd talk about what's moving in pre-market on StockCast, so they wanted to be able to kind of look and see those, maybe know about some of them before James and Todd start their show at 8 o'clock in the morning, and if not, they'll be able to ask questions about them, and maybe it's something that's moving and see what everybody's thoughts are on it. So, without delay, we will get over to TradingView and we'll go over this real quick. Shouldn't take long. All right, everybody, I got TradingView up right now. So this is the Stock Screener app. So basically, what you're going to want to do from the get-go is you can come over here to filters if you're going to start from scratch, and you're going to say reset all. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to look for the exchange. We're going to come in here. We're going to click NYSE, NASDAQ, NYSE, and then I like to click this little box right there. So the next thing we're going to type in is we're going to do float, and we're going to come all the way down here to at least 500 million. You could do less if you want, but you don't really want to do more than that, in my opinion. So we got the float in. The next you're going to do is you're going to do pre-market, and gap percent is going to be above or equal to, we can do 5% for now. You can change that up to 10%, do 15% if you'd like. Volume, we want to see at least 50,000 shares, and then we'll keep the max there. And then we're going to say pre-market close. This is where we want to do between, and this is basically telling it the price of the stocks you want to look at. So I'm going to do $1 to, we'll just say $50. So we close that out, and you can see that I have my criteria. I have the exchange, I have the share float, I have the pre-market gap percentage. Now remember, this share float is not going to be anywhere near as accurate as the share floats when you're asking James and Todd about it in the StockCast show, because I'm not sure exactly what data they have here, but theirs could be skewed a little bit. So just keep that in mind. It might not be the exact share float. Of course, you have pre-market close, between, that's the price range you're wanting to look at. The volume, I'd go at least 50,000 shares, and then the max doesn't really matter. Pre-market gap up percentage, I normally fluctuate this between 5 and 15%. So that's pretty much it, folks. That's how you get it to show up and everything. You can toggle this by however you want it to see. You can see that this brought up 6 matches. And if you want to save this, you can click the screens. You can say save as. We will save it as pre-market gap up scanner, and click save. And then you can do all the columns you want. I just already have mine set up that all I want to see is the pre-market close. I want to see the percent change and everything. And then once you save that, you'll be able to open this at the bottom of your charts as well, so that you can just click on them and automatically see the chart. So we'll pull that up real quick just so you can see. Stock screener. We got the pre-market gap up scanner, so you can see, you can click on it, and it'll automatically pull up the chart so that you can look at it. You can shrink this down, of course, if you want to have more room for your chart than your scanner, and you can see that you can toggle all that back and forth. So, but with all that said, everybody, I hope this helps. That's how to make a pretty easy gap up scanner for pre-market on TradingView, so that you have that. A lot of people, you don't really have to pay for the other stuff. I mean, this comes with free, especially if you have live data, you're getting it there. So Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and let me know. Feel free to shoot me an email if there's anything you want to learn how to do. So, as always, folks, base it's Pad the Wallet. Johnny Red out.